Hey guys, today what I am doing, dun dun dun. It's not really dun 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 because you already know from the title down below. Is me and my Budgie's night routine. I think that's what it's called. I've watched videos of Budgies and all. It says Budgie, and I never knew a bird was called a Budgie, you know. So yeah. Please guys, leave a comment down below. I look at every single one of my videos and go down there to the comments. And there's no one has to comment. But I love you guys and I trust you guys to give me some comments. So it's already made a mess. So I'm just gonna clean that up a little bit. Up and about. Oh yeah. Just show you her real quick. So yeah, so I actually put this in her cage. I feel like she'll like it. Oh, it has just a hole in it though. I think she did that though. Because when I put it in, it wasn't like that before. So I'm just gonna put this back in there to the side. So our night routine is I get in my pajamas. I will do that next time because I feel comfy in these. I clean out its yucky, ugly water. But I already did that today. I already did that today. I look at its food, see if it has food still. Yes, it does, but it already ate this. So I'm going to put that down there. And it probably is tired, so I'm just going to, here you go. Are you hungry? I'm going to talk a little to it. So, because I watch videos and they say to talk to it and all. Talk to it to see how it's feeling and all. Some stuff like that. Sorry guys, I'm not being good today. I'm so sorry. I am feeling a little sick today. And mostly every day. So your likes and subscribes will help me feel better a lot. Please. Sorry about that. Love you guys so much, but if you'd rather give them down, that's okay, I guess. But it'll make me really sad. Yeah. It'll make me sad a little if you do that. So, your new night routine, get in the hallway and all. I look at her water, clean her water out. I pet her for her crust every day. I pet her for her crust. I see if she wants to play with the ball. Then she just flies around though. So that never works. Yeah, but I don't really do nothing with her. I just do the water, do the food and all that, but she hasn't ate any of her food yet. I feel like she hasn't ate a lot, so I'm just gonna I wanna move her food. Guys, will you leave a comment, just leave a comment and see which one does it like better, snacks? Oh, bless you. Or it's food. So just leave a comment down below. And just tell me, food or snack. Hashtag food, or number snack hashtags. Love you guys. So, yeah, I'm putting those back in there. Okay. So, hopefully, it just wants to get on my finger for now. I don't like forcing it on my finger because that will make me lose interest. So, yeah, I am done with that. Love you guys, or it's boring, and yeah. Oh, but if you love my videos, maybe you can leave a like.